To play Farming Simulator 25, we can visit their official website, and right here we can check the formats or platforms that we can play it on. And the first one is PC Digital. That means you can buy the game without any CD drive, and I strongly recommend to go for a Steam where you can buy the game. You can also try the Microsoft Store or Epic Games Store. Then we can move to PC DVD. You can buy it as well from different shops visible right here. And then if you have a DVD drive on your PC, you can then play that game that way. There's also PS5 support, Xbox Series X and S. PS4 is not supported for Farming Simulator 25. The same with Xbox One, Nintendo Switch. On mobile, the latest version is 23. On Mac Digital, you can buy 25 right here as well. On 3DS, it's not available. On PS Vita, it's also not available. And that is basically how you can play that game.